How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get sound on your MSI monitor speaker. Now, if your monitor has a speaker, it's extremely simple to do this. Basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and select MSI as your sound output. So you want to click on the sound icon right here. Click on settings once more and just look for your MSI monitor. So in my case, it's going to be this one, the 24E3. You could just go ahead and select this, and right after, we then have to enable the speaker sounds onto the OSD controls. So it's going to be this button right here, the joystick behind your monitor, and then it will take you to the OSD controls. Basically, you can only access this by using the OSD control right here, which is the on-screen setting. Look for the sound options and just make sure that it is turned on and it has set volume in it. And from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.